Yeah, I can see I can see your screen.
Okay. So your recording session started, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I will continue from the bank statement again.
Yes.
So once the bank statement for the day is received into cash module, you can see all your receipts and payment.
Yes.
So the receivable team starts with the receipts. So
Yes.
whatever the receipts for the yesterday or end of the day, they will
Means
start
they will enter all revenues.
all the revenues exactly. So and then the payable team will create all the payment entry.
Payment.
Okay. So once they created these entries, the bank team will reconcile the same.
Yeah, reconciliation.
Reconciliations will be done in cash module. Okay. So all the receipts and payments should be created and the same should be reconciled in bank book.
Bank statement. Yes.
Any other transaction apart from receivable and payable, it may be a bank charges or bank
Yes.
return. So that will be created by
GL.
GLT. So that miscellaneous will be taken care by GLT.
Yes.
It may be a payroll entry or it may be a fixed asset purchase or asset sales.
Yes.
Various things will be there. Based on the analyze, we will fix it and we will do these things in general ledger. So
Yes.
general ledger will do whatever receivables and payables after their bookings, whatever they doesn't know how to proceed, that will comes to GL bucket. So
Yes.
GL is the top of all these three.
Yeah, this heart of accounting. They will run trial balance.
Exactly, everything end to end. End to
Yeah.
end, the GL team is a king in financial accounting that they want to know and understand all together in the financial module. So they need
Yes.
to know about the cash module, R2 or receivables, O2C module, and P2P accounts
Yes.
payable and general ledger R2 or report to record. Everything they should know to deal with all three modules.
Yes. Exactly.
So here we saw that how to download the chart of accounts and how to analyze accounting entries.
Yes.
General ledger we see starts with journal bookings,
Yes.
day-to-day journal bookings. It may be a petty cash entry.
Yes.
So some agencies are booking petty cash in payables. Some are booking using journal entries.
Yeah.
There is no
Some will make different petty cash voucher. We are doing that before in our previous company.
so
Like
it
payment
may
voucher, we make petty cash voucher.
correct. So based on the voucher, we will create the entry and we will post.
Yes.
Create prepaid entries.
Prepaid all this
I mean, if we are booking any
in
insurance,
advance.
yes, insurance or
Rent,
any AMC charges,
rent.
rent. So if I am receiving insurance charges for 12 months, I will amortize it and I will do the prepayment.
Yes.
This will be your monthly prepayment amount.
Monthly, yeah, monthly.
So, if you are in January, you will book 100 as your insurance amount. In February, how you will
100.
proceed? So it depends on the agency. Again, there will be a difference here. So
Hmm.
say for example, if you want to show your aging balance less, then you have to reverse that January entry and do the February entry as 200.
Yes.
If you are not worried about your aging, then you can book like February 100 and March 100. Like this, you can split like each month 100. So it depends. So if you want to reduce your aging, then you reverse and rebook it month and month.
Yes.
Okay, so it will goes to your expense account to your prepaid account. For
Yeah,
example,
expenditure.
I will put 46,000 is your prepaid account.
Yes.
Your revenue account might be a 70,000 account like that. So,
Yes.
to reduce your monthly expenses, you are reducing the expense account and moving it to prepaid month
Prepaid
on month.
expense. Yes.
So, reducing here and increasing in your prepaid.
Prepaid.
So let me, okay. Is it clear for you? That
Yeah, yeah.
prepaid is clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay. You don't have any questions, right?
No question.
Let's move to approval. For example, I have expenditure for 10,000.
Yeah.
I don't have any invoice. My
Yes.
invoice will comes in next month after 5th or 10th. Okay. So I
Yes.
have to close my books before 5th, and my invoice will reach me on next to after 5 or after 10. Say for example, my monthly mobile expenses. Okay, mobile recharge.
Yes.
Maybe a mobile recharge or company DTH recharge or a petrol bill, petrol, gas, whatever it is. What else? Utility bills, all your utility bills. Okay.
Utilities.
So total my approval is 10,000.
Yes.
So to to match your financial statement with proper expenses, what you will do, you will post the approval entry. So I will mention the account number for example, okay, for itinerary
Okay.
purpose. Okay,
Okay.
your prepaid account is 46,000 and your accrual account is 48,000.
48,000.
So
Yes.
you record this 10,000 as your accrual expenses and hit your expense account. So let's say 71,000 is your mobile recharge expenses account. Okay,
Yes.
I just defining for your itinerary purpose. It should
Okay.
not be the same
Yeah,
for
I
the.
understand that.
So 72,000 is your petrol expenses,
Petrol.
and 73,000 may be your utility like
Yes.
water, uh, etc. Water or rent something. Okay,
Yes.
so it may like 2,500. This is how our entry will be.
Yes.
Entry will be your expense account to your accrual account. So this is how we book our monthly prepaid account, prepaid
Yeah.
entry, accrual entry, your petty
Yes.
cash entries, bank charges, and your fixed asset depreciation. Okay. Uh, Let me give you three examples. Okay. This month I'm purchasing furniture for 10,000.
10,000. Yes.
Okay. It's put to use from 1st of January.
January.
The January invoice coming in February and it's already started to use in January. So depreciation is, I assume it is 5%.
Yeah.
It is 500.
Yes.
So we need to deduct this from our asset value month on month.
Yes.
Okay.
Every
So
month. Yes.
assume that your asset value is depreciation period is 5 years.
Yes.
Also, this will vary company to company. Like your
Yeah.
computer will be 3 years, your
Yes.
furniture will be 10 years, your software will be 3 years. So
Yes.
it depends on the asset. Okay, this will be a main thing, maintaining asset. In general ledger, you have to understand and you need to know that how to book your asset, how to calculate the depreciation, and which
Yes.
method we are following for depreciation.
Yes.
Okay, so depreciation method have straight
Straight
line
line.
method,
Straight line.
trend on value method. Most of the
Mostly
companies are following straight line method.
straight line. Yes.
If I calculate for 5 years, this will be your depreciation. So month on month, this whatever, like say for example, you have 5 assets, five
Yeah.
total together, it comes around 1,000 or 800 like that. So you will
Yes.
book depreciation entry. So your accumulated depreciation entry will goes to your asset account.
Yes.
Reducing your asset value, it will goes to your accumulated depreciation account. So you will prepare this journal, and based on your value and based on your accounting requirement. Say for example, if you have five softwares, that and all will be comes under one account. So if you
Yes.
have furniture, that will you should
Comes in one account.
differ considering another account.
Yes.
So like that, you need to split all the assets and its depreciation and faster entry.
Yes.
Okay, so first AP team will book us the expenses, and from there you have to move that expenses to your fixed asset account. From there you start calculating depreciation.
Yes.
Is it clear, Cyril?
Yeah.
So we covered like how to book a prepaid entry, how to book a approval entry,
Yes.
and how assets like how it is booked by payables team, and from expenses how we are reclassing it to GL account.
Yes.
Details of reclassifying. So if any expenses or asset matching is into a wrong account, we can do a reclassment.
Reversal also there. Possible, right?
Yeah, you can reverse and rebook, or you can do a reclassment. Do the reclass and to the account, and calculate your depreciation, and then book a depreciation. Book a depreciation. Once your depreciation period is completed,
Yes.
you can pull the TB and check the asset value. If still the asset is having any value, you can inform it to your agency or your counterpart that still we have after 5 years there will be no value. So like it's
Zero value.
yeah, I'm saying after 5 years.
Yes.
Before that, if you are selling that asset for some reason, if it is
Yeah.
news or if it is going to replace or whatever it is, maybe the reasons will be varied.
Yes.
Okay, so you can inform your CFO about the asset. Fully it is depreciated and it is ready for sale, or you can dispose it.
Yes.
If it is disposed for the zero cost, there will be no entry required because it is already disposed. You can clear the asset from your Excel that it is fully depreciated with zero
Yes.
value.
Yes.
It is disposed from agency or your warehouse. So if
Yes.
the agency or the warehouse sold it for some value, for example, if it is sold for 500
Yes.
USD or 500 euro, then it is a asset sold in gain. So you
Gain.
need
Yeah.
to,
Gain on asset. Sale of asset.
yes, exactly, gain on sale of asset. So you need to move the value into asset gain or loss account. So let me create one account for that. It is 75,000 account. Okay, gain of sale of asset. So you can create two accounts like this. One for gain on asset sale, another one loss.
Loss.
Say for example, if the asset value is still 500 USD, but you sold it for zero or for 100,
Yeah.
then it's
Loss on
loss.
sale of asset.
So you create a letter, acknowledge it with agency or CFO or agency general manager, and record the same in our general ledger.
Yes. Yes.
This is for that, how the gain on asset and the loss on asset will be recorded in our books. How to reclass, how to calculate depreciation, and
Yes.
how to gain on sale of asset and loss on. Do you have any questions?
No, as of now, I don't have any questions. I just only need one favor from you. The this one sheet you showed me, right? The navigations.
Yes.
Can you share me that link so I can try at home? And this Excel sheet also.
This one, right?
Yeah, this one and the one we see first navigation, how to enter JV, GL.
Sure, I will give the screenshots to you.
Yeah,
I will use
the slide
the
share.
slideshow. That link and screenshots I will copy paste in
Yeah,
this Excel and I will share this.
sure, no issues.
Okay. So, main thing is maintaining of assets,
Yes,
prepaid entry, accrual entry, bank charges. These and all main things. And
yes,
the another one, let me finish this along with this. That is payroll. So most of the company HRs are not posting any entries. Okay, so it will comes in payable part or a GL team is taking care of payroll entries.
yes,
It depends again. So HR will provide you the information. Okay, whatever the
yes,
information they have, they will provide it to you. So based on the information, month on month, whatever the salaries they pay to their employees, they will give you the information in Word,
Ex-
PDF, or
Excel
Excel.
sheet.
Okay,
Yeah,
you have to convert it into journal entry. Okay, so each employee will have a different code, employee code.
yes,
So all the salary expenses will be in one account.
yes,
So the PF will be in another account. So if they have any food meals, food vouchers, that will be in one account.
mm,
Whatever the deductions, whatever the leave encashments,
yeah.
um,
End
maybe
of
they
service,
are in maternity, they are
end of
having
service, leave,
expenses.
annual leaves, provisions. All provisions we have to put it.
Yes, so each one will have a different set of accounts. Okay. So that let's say for example under 60,000 you can have all these provisions like 60,001, 60,002,
Yes,
60,003 like that.
yes,
Okay. So cost center will be define the employee working area.
yes,
Okay. Whether they are in HR, whether they are in finance, whether they are in operations,
yeah,
whether they are in customer service, they're like that.
yes,
Okay. So that in cost center area. So we have partner codes. Okay. In Oracle, we have partner codes to define the suppliers, customers, and employees. Okay.
yes,
Let's say Sohail as partner code 1. Partner code 2 is Suresh. Is Narayan. So this will be the partner code. So we
yeah,
can say that this is the primary partner code. Okay. When you create a supplier invoices, sorry, customer invoices, we need to know for which customer this invoice is. So for that,
yes,
this partner code definition will be there in Oracle system.
mm,
Okay. So the setup team will create this based on the information you are giving to
yes,
employee of codes, then the 4 and then employee information that and all will be available as partner code 4. So it will extend to 1,000 or 10,000, etc. etc. Okay. So this is the partner code and cost center. This and all helps you to define your journals.
journals, yeah,
So based on this, you know your account number. Account number is must.
yes.
Cost center is not. Partner code
Partner
is
code is must.
responsible your employee, supplier, or customer.
Code.
Yes, exactly. So based on this, you will pass a payroll entry. So these are the major points in
Concepts in
general.
GL. Yeah.
Yes. So let's take another 5 minutes to conclude this with
Yeah.
reconciliation. Okay.
Yes.
So when you are in the close of month,
Yes.
previous, so let's book all these entries
Mm.
and let's do a receivable reconciliation.
Yes.
So let's pull the final trial balance.
Mm.
Uh, Again, like 4 bucket aging or 7 bucket aging report. The aging report will be there in your Oracle system. Okay. After the month end close, you start pulling your 7 bucket. After this, okay. So 7 bucket aging report total is 1.5 million. Okay.
Yes.
So this is your receivables.
Yes.
So whatever your customer invoices raised for the month of
In
January
particular period. Yes.
particular period. Here I am noting an example of
Jan.
January period.
Okay.
So you pull your January period TB,
T.
okay, and check your receivable account. That is say for
1.5 million.
40,000 account. Okay, so that should exactly match
Match.
with this 1.4 billion. It should not be even a 1.45 or 1.48. It should exactly
Yes.
1.5 million.
Yeah.
If in
Same
case
in same in supplier reconciliation also.
same in supplier reconciliation. So in detail, if you want to see how to proceed with the reconciliation, that we'll see in a later part. Okay, how
Okay.
to do the reconciliation.
Yes.
Whatever you are doing, paying to your suppliers, to your
Yes.
vendors, that should match.
Yes.
So here, I'm just mentioning 41,000 is your payable sum. Okay,
Payables.
so whatever you are paid in during the month, it's 1.5 or 2 million. That
Yeah.
should exactly match in your TB.
Yes.
So your TB amount and your payables supplier report
Should be same.
same. So this is the primary reconciliation.
Yes.
Okay. So by doing this, you know your subledger final balance.
Yeah.
Okay. So you can close your subledgers, the reconciliation, and close your subledgers without any
Yes.
variance. If you have any variance, that keeps your books pending, and you have to proceed for reconciling again.
Yeah.
If it is matching, then you proceed for subledger balance, subledger closing.
Okay.
Closing for Jan period. Okay.
Okay.
Then comes to GL. So you pull your trial balance, account analysis report.
Okay.
First on your TB, and on your account analysis report,
Yes.
just for your comparison. Okay. Always take 6 months.
Okay.
Say for example, 3 to 6 months. It depends on the your book size. Your book are million. Okay. So based on your book size, take it 3 to 6 months. Do the comparison of your previous month's expenses,
Yes.
revenue and expenses both. Okay.
Yeah.
Like
Budgeted versus actual, you mean?
either a budgeted versus actual, or you can comparison with previous periods.
Okay.
Jan, Feb, March. Okay. So it should be like always 1.5,
Yes.
1.7, 1.8 in this graph. Okay. You should not see 1 to 2 or 1 to 4 or 1 to 0.5. It should not be a drastically down or increase.
Yes.
So by comparing it with your previous period or your budgeted with versus actuals, you come to know that any mistakes happens in your subledgers.
Subledger. Yes.
You done the reconciliation, you closed your subledgers. When you proceed with your general ledger reconciliation, you check all this.
Yes.
Okay. Looks good. Then you go for a single in Oracle every month. This is how the flows will be. So,
Yes.
reconciliation, main ledger, sub ledger closes, and then we
Yes.
come to main ledger. Do a TB analysis and review all the entries,
Yes.
petty cash entry, bank entries, your day-to-day expenses, your travel
Payments,
expenses,
receivables, everything, payroll, all has to be
pay,
closed by
pay,
particular department. Then all
exactly,
will hit to the GL.
exactly. So you cross check with other departments whether all the invoices are received, all the
Yeah.
payments are received, everything is booked by the department, whether it is entered in your books, those and all
Yes.
you check with your account analysis as well.
Yes.
Okay, then you proceed for your GL, main ledger close.
Oh.
This is the theoretical GL close, Sohail.
Yes.
Uh, do you have any questions?
No, in this one I don't have any question. This is all basic things we have done. I just revise it properly. It's fine, no issues. But only thing is we will do it in the this one also. Application also some basic entries so we can have well versed with the system. That is my only concern.
Okay, that's good that you understood the basic issues to when. So we can do the same in Oracle application directly to
Tomorrow, right?
yes.
What time will be tomorrow?
What time is convenient for you? Same 9
Evening
o'clock?
is 9 o'clock, 8 o'clock is also fine, no issues. If you
No.
are free, if it is okay for you, no problem. I don't have any issues anytime.
Okay, after 8 you are available, right?
Yeah,
Okay, then 8 to 8:30. Let me confirm you tomorrow evening.
yeah,
We'll start after 8 o'clock. I will inform you by evening.
sure, no problem, no problem, Mr. Navar.
For,
And please share me this sheet and this one link of that the one which you are showing me navigations.
sure, sure. So I will
Yeah,
after this call. I will get your email ID from Suresh and I will share.
yeah, sure. I will send you by message now.
Okay, sir.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
Thank you, thank you. Have a nice day. Good night.
Have a nice day. Bye. Good night.